In this video, I'll guide you through how to download your resume from Indeed step by step so you can save it to your device and share it whenever you need to. Whether you're getting ready to apply for a new job or just want a copy for your records, we'll walk through everything clearly and simply. First, you'll want to sign into your Indeed account using your usual login details. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. From here, your goal is to open your resume from your account profile. Usually you'll see an option labeled Profile or My Profile at the top of the screen, often near your name or account icon. Go ahead and click on that. When you open your profile, you should see a section dedicated to your resume. This is where Indeed stores the information you've entered, such as your work history, education, and skills. If you've created multiple versions of your resume, they may all appear here. Take a moment to review what's shown so you know you're looking at the correct document. Now, select the resume you want to download. If you only have one resume, it will likely be highlighted or displayed by default. If you have several versions, click on the one that best matches the type of jobs you plan to apply for. For example, you might have one resume tailored to customer service roles and another tailored to management positions. Selecting the right one here ensures you download the version you actually need. Once you've selected the resume, look for the option to download it. On most layouts, you'll find a button or link that says Download or Download PDF. This is usually located near the top or side of your resume preview. Click that button. When you click Download or Download PDF, your browser will begin saving a copy of your resume to your device. Depending on your settings, one of two things will happen. Your browser may automatically save the file to your default downloads folder, or it may open a window asking where you want to save the file. If you're given a choice, pick a location that's easy to remember, like your desktop or a dedicated resumes folder. After the download finishes, it's a good idea to open the file right away to double check that everything looks correct. Find the file on your device, open it, and scan through the content. Make sure your name, contact information, job history, and dates are accurate and properly formatted. This quick review can help you catch any formatting issues before you send the resume to an employer. If something doesn't look right, you can go back to your Indeed profile, make edits to your resume, and then repeat the download process. It only takes a moment, and having a clean, professional-looking PDF is worth the extra step. From here, your downloaded resume is ready to attach to job applications, email to recruiters, or upload to other job sites. Keeping a downloaded copy on your computer, and maybe even a backup in cloud storage, makes it easy to access and share your resume anytime. That's all there is to it. You've opened your resume from your Indeed profile, selected the version you want, and downloaded it as a file you can use anywhere.